Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
As I mentioned, the issue of jobs is critical, but also central to a place like Goa is the issue of the environment. We are not going to allow Goa to become a coal hub. This is not in the interest of the people of Goa. This does not serve the purpose of the people of Goa. जो बीजेपी ने राज किया है, ये मैंडेट उन्होंने गोवा से चोरी की थी. ये गोवा की ओरिजिनल मैंडेट नहीं थी. गोवा ने 5 साल पहले कहा था कि हम कांग्रेस पार्टी की सरकार चाहते हैं, और भ्रष्टाचार करके पैसा देकर बीजेपी ने जो गोवा की मैंडेट थी उसको चोरी किया, और फिर 5 साल में उन्होंने विकास का कोई भी काम नहीं किया.
सरकार आयले काय सोमतेच कायदेशीर मायनिंग सुरू करतले.
We plan to restore sustainable mining. We have studied it. There is no problem in restarting it. We will restart it in a sustainable, manageable way, legal way, and we will do it as soon as we come to power.
प्रधानमंत्र्यान इतिहासूच सारको समजून घेवंक ना आणि गोंयकारांक सध्या खंय असल्या इश्यूंची गरज ना.
Everybody has a particular role, right? So, for example, I see myself today, I see my role as ensuring that Goa gets a government that represents its voice. The Prime Minister also has a role. He cannot come to you today and say to you, I gave you jobs, I gave you employment, I fixed your problems, I stole your last government. He can't say that to you. So he has to distract you. His role is to distract. His role is to take you away from your issues and to distract you. Now the fact of the matter is that freedom fighters have commented on this issue. This is an issue that has come up before. Freedom fighters have commented on this issue. Academics have commented on this issue. The sad fact is that the Prime Minister doesn't quite understand the history of those times.
Bureau Report Prudent.